Advanced level Mandingo language learning lesson 85. Mandingo inspired futuristic teaching. In a Mandingo language educational platform, Manikakang kafafila awalada bisagini lolu karam Manikakang gikarana dinkramin de kudumi bedo Jankaru yimo halala ledin. Jankaru yimo halala ledin. Illness is a debt no one else can pay. Or you can say sickness is deeply personal. No one else can bear it for you. Jankaru yimo halala ledin. Beyi dubala si ani kendeya lela. Beyi dubala si ni kendeya lela. Beyi dubala si ni kendeya lela. Si yang ani kendeya lela. Everybody now wishes to live long and have prosperity, or a wish for long life and success. We always say, may you live long and prosper. I wish you long life and prosperity. So everybody is wishing for long life and prosperity and good health. Jamfa domantie. Jamfa domantie. It's the smallest hook that catches the big fish. Or you can say, even the smallest trap can catch the biggest prey. Baralale kabara tonolom. Baralale kabara tonolom. Sweat makes success taste sweeter. Or when you work for something, you appreciate it more. Sweat makes success taste sweeter. Or when you work for something, you appreciate it more. Mo matoro femina ama adaraya long. Moma toro femina ama adaraya long. What cost nothing is worth nothing. What costs nothing is worth nothing. Or people tend to undervalue what they didn't work for. These are idiomatic phrases. It's good for you to understand them. The meaning is very deep.